how to install Good Lock on your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or the S9. So first, go back to your home screen and swipe down to go into App Store. Then you can search for Galaxy Store. So tap on Galaxy Store. And here in the search bar, you want to tap on search. So the easiest way is to tap on the search icon and then tap on or type in Good Lock. And then it will find Good Lock, and then tap on the install button or the download button. So tap on download. So let's say here it's only a few megabytes, so the download should be quite quick and straightforward. And from here we can tap on this play button, and it's now open. So here I got units and family. So in family, if you go down, you have like a few items over here. Then you got units. There is a menu key that you can tap on, and that's it. So anything that you want to install, you can tap on, and then you can further install it. So you got here theme park. You can install that. You can go back. So we're going to go back, and then you got nice catch, one hand operation plus, edge lighting plus, edge touch, and sounds assistant. So anything that you want to add, you can tap on and add it to your device. And that's it. That's how you can install Good Lock on your Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus through the Galaxy Store. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.